Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can attach photos to your iPhone's calendar event. So it's pretty simple. You want to open up your iPhone's calendar, and inside your calendar you want to click on plus at the top, and you want to choose a title for your event. So I'm going to create a random event, and I'm going to choose the time over here, but you can choose whichever time you want. So after you set the event and you have selected the time, you can scroll a bit down and you will see add attachment. Now before you click on add attachment, you need to go inside your phone's gallery. Now from over here you want to select the photo which you want to attach or add on your calendar event. After you select the photos, at the bottom left corner you will see an arrow pointing up. Click on it, scroll down and click on where it says save to files. Once you click on it, you want to choose in which location of files you want to save it and click on save at the top right. Once you do that, you want to go to your calendar and click on add attachment. From over here, you want to go to the place where you saved the photo and choose the photo which you want to add. Once you choose it, it's going to be added just like this. And if you click on add at the top right corner, an event with the photo being attached will be created. So that is how we guys can attach photos to iPhone calendar. Hit the subscribe to our channel how one step. I'll see you guys next time.